If you're a business owner, you need to hear this. Cybercriminals are targeting you through your email. Imagine getting an email that looks completely legit. You click a link, and next thing you know, your email login is compromised. Welcome to the world of sophisticated phishing attacks using malicious HTTP headers. These cybercriminals are sneaky. They redirect you to fake login pages without you even noticing. Over 2,000 malicious URLs were detected just between May and July this year, hitting businesses, government agencies, and more. But don't panic. At Impress IT Solutions, we've got your back. Our advanced email security uses AI to catch those malicious emails before they reach your inbox. And our proactive threat monitoring keeps an eye on suspicious activity 24/7. Plus, we train your employees to spot phishing attempts and implement multi-factor authentication to add that extra layer of protection. Regular security audits and updates, we do that too. So why risk it? Partner with Impress IT Solutions and fortify your business against evolving cyber threats. Contact us today.